guys, thank you for watching. So I just wanted to pop on real quick to this video why you should do daily journaling, because I was going to include it in my last video, my journal routine, and then I realized I literally listed like 4 reasons why you should journal. I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and make a whole separate video of it. So that's basically it. I'm just gonna give you 4 good reasons why you should journal. Because number 1, it really helps you remember things. I've kept journals on and off since like 4th grade, and I just love the fact that I can one day look back on all of them, you know, look back on my life, my journey, the ups, the downs, things I learned, things I experienced that I might forget if I didn't have that recorded, you know. Number 2 is also very therapeutic. So for the most part, you just dump out whatever's on your mind. So it's a good way to get any emotions off your chest, anything that's been on your mind, and just let it out. Also, it really helps you become a better version of yourself, because it's just a very intimate time with yourself to be sitting there, you with your own thoughts, and it's like you're working on just getting a deeper relationship with yourself, which is very, very important, and it helps you just open up and dig through any like mental blocks. Also, while you're sitting there and thinking, you can visualize on the type of life you want and goals you want to accomplish, and then you can write them down and start working on them. And then the 4th, it kind of goes back with what I just said, but it definitely helps you be more creative. Just writing helps me come up with so many more things from my mind, so many more ideas, and so many more good pieces of writing I'm able to do just because I'm writing and getting into my own head so much and so often. So that is it. Like I said, I've kept journals on and off since like 4th grade. I just really recommend it. It's so awesome that I can look back. I love being able to keep track of my like personal life journey, of working on my goals and just seeing my dreams evolve and develop. I think I'd be so upset if I went through this whole life and journey of trying to follow my dreams and not being able to see the documentation of that. Also, I did take a bit of a journaling break like midway through high school until about a couple years ago. Besides a grateful journal, I started keeping around 20 that was like super sporadically written in. I wasn't really doing journaling in this sense, as in just like what happened today, what happened yesterday, write down my feelings. But a couple years ago, I was at a really low point that I just had a lot of inner self to figure out. And like, well, I'm just gonna start journaling again, writing down, and just like figure myself out, because I truly believe that inner problems, mental health problems, you know, it's all within you, right? So I'm just a big believer in digging deep farther into yourself to solve those problems. And truly, I'm so glad that I picked journaling back up. Like, I think it's just been one of the most beneficial, life-saving thing for me, my mental health, like feeling better, just getting direction in life, figuring myself out, soul searching, all that type of stuff that I'm super into. So when I say I'm really passionate about it and serious, and I think it can like help lives, like I'm totally not exaggerating. Like, I truly believe that it's all about digging deep within. What better way to do that than writing to yourself, you know? So that's basically it. Like I said, my last video was my journaling routine. I use a notebook and an app. So if you enjoyed this, I'm sure you would like to check that out. It's in the eyes and link down below. But thank you for watching. My next video is going to be a series about digital detoxing. I'll see you in my next one if you are subscribed. But if not, then bye!